Hello guys, welcome back to Review Rounder Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the speed test of Seagate 40B Expansion desktop drive, also known as Seagate external hard disk drive, which is add-on storage to your PC. Either it might be Windows or to the Mac. Now I will open the box and show you the contents. This is a USB 3.0 cable which is compatible to 2.0, power adapter, and these are replaceable sockets as per our need. And here is the 40B Seagate hard disk drive. The surface of the hard disk drive got 3D textured with standard plastic material. Here you can see two provisions. One is for power cable and another is for USB port. And the downward triangle shaped are the air vents. These are the 4 rubber straps for placement in order to avoid sliding. Let's see quick features of the external hard disk drive. The whole exterior surface of the expansion desktop drive got 3D texture, which is a plastic material. Here this 40B expansion desktop HDD got model is mentioned SRD0NF2, which is assembled in China. I will just let you know the product dimensions. That is length 6.93 inches, width 4.75 inches and height 1.44 inch and weighs around 0.95 kgs. This Seagate Expansion HDD is compatible to both Mac and Windows with super speed 3.0 USB port. The warranty period varies regionally. 1 year limited warranty for North, Central and South America, 2 year limited warranty for Europe, the Middle East and Africa, and 3 year limited warranty for Asia Pacific regions. How to connect Seagate Expansion desktop drive to PC or Mac? The Seagate Expansion desktop drive provides extra storage for your ever-growing collection of files. Add space for more files instantly. Consolidated all your files to single location or free space on your computer's internal drive for improved performance. Setup is straightforward. Simply plug in the included power supply and USB cable and you are ready to go. It is automatically recognized by the Windows operating system or Mac. So there is no software to install and nothing to configure. Saving files is easy too, just drag and drop. Take advantage of the fast data transfer speeds with the USB 3.0 interface by connecting to a super speed USB 3.0 port. Speed test. Let me plug in the power cable and connect to my Mac via USB port 3.0. Here I am going to use Blackmagic disk speed test. Let me set the target drive and run the speed test both writing as well as reading speed. I have selected Seagate 40B HDD and started speed test. Here we go. The writing speed is 140.7 Mbps and the reading speed is 163.1 Mbps. Now I will do one thing. I will just simply drag the file and drop it into the 40B Seagate HDD and check out the writing speed in live. See, this folder has space of 1.31 GB and I will drag and drop in the HDD and check out the duration of the time. Probably it takes time less than a minute. Now we'll do the same thing in vice versa, which has got 2.82 GB. The time taken for data transfer is 2.5 minutes. Also, we'll check the expansion desktop drive information. Capacity 4 TB and available 3.23 GB as I have used 767 GB for my personal usage. This is all about the speed test of Seagate Expansion desktop drive. To buy the Seagate external HDD, kindly buy it from the link provided below and support us more. Thanks a lot for watching the video guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel.